Hello YouTube, this is Gaming Legend 2012. I'm back here today to show you guys how to make a CraftBukkit 1.4.5 server. I was gonna make a tutorial to get like different server types like prison, faction, townie, and what plugins you need and what permissions you need. If you want to like and subscribe for that and post a comment that you want me to do that, then I would love to do that. There's a lot to do that. Okay, now we're gonna get to it. We're just gonna first. You want to download the CraftBukkit 1.4.5 development build. That was the latest one. I will put the link in the description. Actually wasn't that hard to find. All I did was type on Bukkit 1.4.5 and it came right up for the development build, but I'll put the link in so it'll be a lot easier on you guys. I have all the Run.bat files right here, and if you guys have any problems doing it, just write a comment and I will try to fix that for you guys. Just tell me the exact problem what you're having and I'll get right back to you. I check my channel probably every like 30 minutes. Okay, well, we're just gonna get to it. Alright, the first thing you want to do is make a new folder. Name it whatever you want. I'm just gonna name it YouTube test server. There we go. And you're gonna put that in there. Whoa, how did that happen? Oh, okay. Run file. Okay, there, that'll work. We're gonna be using this next after we come in here. You want to change this to CraftBukkit for my Run.bat because they will not work on any other name. Must change this to CraftBukkit unless you want to do some configuring in here, but it's not that hard. The reason why I said name it to CraftBukkit because I have all the names named to CraftBukkit. Say you wanted to change this to YouTube, you would have to change this over here to YouTube to only for it to work. I guess we'll just keep it like that because I know it's gonna work. To find out which ones you need, you just go to your programs, your computer, local disk, and then it'll program files. And then you click on it, go to Java, and it'll come up JRE6, JRE7, so it doesn't matter which one you want. I would use the JRE6 because JRE7 was the beta, so just to be safe, use the 6. I'm gonna copy and paste that into. Yes. Change this into here. Okay, we're just gonna. Oh yeah. All right. Hit new and then do text document. It doesn't matter what you name it. Just open it and copy that, and then go to File, Save As, and then you must name it .bat at the end. But you can name it anything, and then you can put .bat. I guess we'll keep it like that. Okay. All types and save. And it'll come up as different coding for different colors if you have Notepad++. And then just delete that, and then you can open it. After you open it, it should load all your properties, your plugins, your worlds, your band players, op servers, and then your server properties. The plugins is for to have different stuff like permission wise. You can do more stuff, have funner, like shortcuts through building. Yeah, basically building, like, and having fun, having gun mods and stuff like that. It's really fun. You can look it on YouTube for other videos for like, oh look, how to use a gun mod and then what it does, blah blah blah. I'll be doing YouTube videos on that, but I probably won't be doing that one pretty soon. Your world is the world you start out in. World Nether is the Nether. You gotta go through another portal. World the end is for the, the end. Ban IPs is, so say someone had like multiple Minecraft accounts, they can just keep signing on your server unless you ban their IP. If you ban the player, they can sign on a different account, but if you ban that certain player, he won't be able to come back. Don't know what this is. I don't think that's really useful. You don't need it. Your help, I'm not sure what that is either. and just log it in. Oh, I'm just guessing what basic permissions you need. Your ops is your operators of the server. You want to put your name in here. So my name is Yamaha215. So save that. You don't need this permissions. You're gonna have group manager. I'm pretty sure, or permissions X. Your server, you don't need that. Server log, that's just like in here, this is like your server log to see what like say someone grouped your server and you want to find out who it is. You just check your log. Server properties, when you open this with Notepad++, it comes up like this. Your generator settings, you don't want to mess with that. Allow another. If you want them to go into another, it's pretty laggy. I think in extra, like you need probably a few gigs of RAM to run another, so they don't lag much and they don't lag out. So if you have like a 1 gig server, you can put it to false, but it's not necessary. But for now we're just keep it true. You don't mess with this. That's your level name. Enable query. Don't know what that is. I'm pretty sure just leave it a false. None of these right here are meant to be touched, but this one. Your server port, you can change that to anything you want, only if you have it on your computer. If you have it, but when you're port forwarding, you must put the 7 or 8 or 9 or 50 or whatever that you're adding to it. If you don't, it won't port forward right. You won't be able to get in your server. Your enable archon is just keep it the false because that would like screw up your server really bad. Your level seed, you don't need that. Your server IP, that's only for logme and hamachi. If you're gonna make a logme and hamachi server, if you like don't know how to port forward, keep that max build height to 256. That's the default one. NPCs is like villagers and the new boss. I forgot what it's called. Your whitelist is for certain people to join your server. Spawn animals, true. You want them to have pigs, cows, sheeps. Snooper enabled. I think that's for the 1.3, no 1.4. So see how the Minecraft is running. I can make it false, but it won't help out for our next update, like to fix the bugs. Not real bugs, just like glitches. Calm down. You can put the texture pack of what you want for the server. So like you want Doku Craft, you can just put the file in here. Online mode, you want to keep that to true. If you don't, hackers will be able to get in your server. They can just sign in on notice as an offline name and join. They can sign in as your name. That's really bad. PvP, you want them to have PvP in the whole world. You can put that to false where nobody can be able to PvP. You can also put that in essentials if you download the essentials, like in my first or second video. Difficulty for the mobs, 3 is the highest, 2 is medium, and 1 is easy. So it goes 1 easy, 2 medium, 3 hard. It only goes up to 3. Game mode, keep that to 0. If you put that to 1, everybody will spawn with the game mode. Max players, of course you know what that is, like a certain amount of people, a limit in your server. For 1 gig of RAM, you probably want the 30. I wouldn't go past 30 unless you can only have like 15 plugins. If you want like more, I would lower the people so it doesn't crash. Spawn monsters, if you don't want like creepers and like all the zombies attacking you, whatever, you can put that to false. Generate structures is like the villager houses and stuff like that. The temples. Sorry about that, guys. My dad walked in and I yelled at him. Sorry about that. What was I at? View distance. Okay. You don't want to mess with that. That's only for like generate structures. And the last thing but not least, the missions of the day. When you sign on like a server, it has like welcome to blah 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 server and then the server name and whatever. What date it is. Like I can put YouTube video, woohoo, and then it will come up as that when I load the server up. So we're just gonna save that. I think that's it for the So we're just going to get out of that, and we're going to stop the server. Okay, well, it's gonna be okay. Now we can run it again since we have all that ready to go. See how I told you it works? I'm just gonna rename it to launch. Okay. Now we can get out of that, and now we can open Minecraft. Since I port forward, it should go on as my IP for my computer, and then I can just type IB chicken. I put mine as hidden, so you guys don't see my IP because it's like a test server. You don't really need to see the IP. This is like how I said in the config. It'll come up YouTube video, woohoo, right under the server, what you named it as, right there. Okay, I just showed you the IP, which is not a good thing. Okay, but it's okay. It won't be up for long. Logging in. And look, we are in. The only reason why it's going to lag for a few seconds because it's going to generate all the structures. You have all that, and since I opt myself, I have /op. I can game mode me. So game mode 1 Yamaha 2 crap Yamaha 1 2 5. Now I have creative. Like I said, you can find villagers. You have all the splash potions, whatnot. Yeah, alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you in my next video.